Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Passat, stock number 6798. This ran from the 6th 2015 and the 4th 2018. It has a DFCA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual automatic transmission. This is a DFCA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent and small crease, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,